Meta's Instagram to support NFTs from Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Flow. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. NFTs from some of the most popular blockchain networks for crypto art are coming to Instagram with the announcement of a pilot as soon as Monday. The social media powerhouse owned by Meta is planning non-fungible token integrations for Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and Flow, CoinDesk has learned. Those networks host the vast majority of trading in digital collectibles, with Ethereum and its Bored Apes leading the way by market cap. The pilot will feature a small group of NFT aficionados based in the US. It wasn't immediately clear whether Instagram would support NFTs from all four chains at launch. Instagram intends to support widely used crypto wallets such as MetaMask. Plugging in their wallets, users will be able to prove NFT ownership, showcase them on their profiles, and tag the creators who made them. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. CoinDesk has confirmed Instagram will not charge users for posting and sharing NFTs, as Twitter initially did for its hexagonal NFT profile pictures in January. The decision likely spells a rush of new cultural visibility for NFTs. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users, many of whom use the platform to promote and market their art. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg teased the initiative in March without divulging much details. The Financial Times previously reported that Meta would follow up its NFT pilot on Instagram with minting and group membership options on Facebook. An email to Meta seeking comment wasn't immediately answered. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.